This is a review, Riley. I know. Okay. This is a review of the original Himalayan dog chew, and this chew density is hard. And it's for dogs 55 pounds and over, and it's cheese flavored, and my dog keeps wanting to try this one out. So let's see what he thinks. You gonna take it? Whoops. The brand did send this to me for my dog to test out and give a review on. And it's really cool. The ingredients in this is actually yak milk, cow milk, lime juice, and salt. And so it's really a great alternative to rawhide. This is made of cheese, and so it's a long-lasting, easily digestible rawhide alternative. So it's all natural, no grain, gluten, or lactose. So I am really happy to give this to my dog. And he is really happy too.